In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your vapor canister Purge solenoid valve on your Chevy Colorado. It's located behind your left fender liner. Remove your hubcap using a pry bar. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove our wheel. Remove your wheel. We're going to remove some push pins on the fender liner using a trim tool. If they're these types, you take out the center first and then pull it out. If they're these types, you're just going to pull out the push pin. After you remove those, you're going to pick this up and you're going to see your solenoid right here, and that's what we're going to be taking apart. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, unhook it, and disconnect it. Set that aside. And now we're going to work on removing this. To do that, you're going to push in on these two tabs. There's one here, and there's one on the top. You're going to push in and push it off. Push the line off, like that. Squeeze these together, and then pull the line out. So there's a top and a bottom. You squeeze it together, it'll release it, and you should be able to slide off the line. I'm going to use some needle nose pliers. If you have hose clamp pliers that have a curve to them, it's a little easier. If you're having trouble removing this line off of your Purge solenoid, you can disconnect it from this bracket first. Just remove it so you can move it around to get to that line a little easier. So you can take this down, bring it closer to you, and then we can disconnect this. So now we're going to squeeze together these two areas, the white part, and disconnect it from the solenoid. And pull it apart like that. To remove this bracket, you're going to give it a tap or two. If yours is rusty, you might have to do a little bit more than that. But once you get it down far enough, you're going to pry this up a little bit, and then it should go that way. Take it out and put it on the new one. Before sliding this all the way in, you're going to push down on this so it catches when it slides into this. Now you're going to push it in. And you may need to give it a little tap and get it to lock under the slip here. Now we're going to install our new part. I would put the line on first. Push it on. Make sure it's locked in. Now I'm going to put my bracket back. Now we're going to put our bolt in. I'm using an extension so I can reach. And you're going to thread it in by hand first. Just snug it up. Don't over tighten it. It's going into aluminum. Now we're going to connect this line up top. Push it on. Make sure it's locked on. That's good. And now we're going to connect our connector. We're going to put our fender liner back into place. Make sure you line up your holes. This one had the double pin. Put the base in first and then push it in. And you can put this one in. Put your wheel on. Put your lug nuts on. Now we're going to tighten our wheel down. I'm going to spin it, have one on the bottom, and we're going to walk our wheel up. And now we're going to go in a crisscross manner and tighten it up. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to torque our wheels to 103 foot-pounds in a crisscross style. Now you can put your hubcap on. Just tap it on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.